Right, and just like that, we have made it to the meet. As you guys can see, the sun is up finally, and we are 20 minutes early, and yet we are still parked in the very back of the mall. That's how busy it is. You can tell this meet is going to be awesome. There's a bunch of cars. We saw C8s, Coyotes, CTSVs. I like CTSVs, but that's just from coming in. So let's go ahead and look around. Let's see what they got. All right, got me another Mustang Brethren. Where's he at? Yep, give me another Mustang Brethren. Hopefully he stays here, doesn't leave me. But with that being said, let's go see what kind of cars we can find. Oh my God, look what we found. All right, if y'all remember at Caffeine and Octane at the Drags, I said this is my favorite EcoBoost ever, and I have found him. He's not anywhere to be seen. I would say hi to him. I'd put him on camera if he wanted to, but he's here, and it is looking nice. Once again, I'm a really big fan of that GT500 hood and the GT350 fenders. They look really, really cool. But right next to it, you just casually have an RX-7 just sitting. It looks nice. It's so much lower. I never realized how low these cars were. It is absolutely nuts. And let's not forget, about 2 cars over, we just have a GT500 just sitting here. I think this is the first one I've ever seen that has that white with the black stripe, and it doesn't look bad. Actually, no. That's blue. Oh, my bad. I thought it was black at first. That's nice. I like that. Because look, the top of it clearly looks black, like right up there. And this right here, it goes. Of the glasses, it might be an antimatter blue. Okay, can we just take a second to appreciate all the Type Rs? This is one of the cars that I was looking at when I was looking for the EcoBoost Mustang, and these were really hard to find, especially at sticker price. And here at Caffeine and Octane, you just have endless row. I'm not counting because there's at least 10 or more than 10 all here. And these are crazy. I mean, 306 horsepower, stick shift only, Brembos, Recaro seats. There are 18 Civic Type Rs all here. You don't know how crazy I go if I see one. And they're 19. I found another one. But that is absolutely nuts. And they just keep on going. I want you guys to tell me where else are we gonna find 23 Honda Civic Type Rs. Like, I'm lucky if anywhere within 50 miles even has one. And if it has one, there's no way it's gonna be sticker price. Unless it's used, and then it is gonna be sticker price. So the fact that we saw 23 in a row, that's crazy. Okay, so I got a question. When are we moving here? Huh? When are we moving here? Okay, well, we need to move here because look at all of these, all right? We need the Miata to be home, all right? We got this one, that's home. And we got another one. I have never seen this many in a row together. It's home, it's family. That's a beautiful blue. I love that color blue. But look at that. And on the other side too. Don't think I forgot about the other side. All of them over there. And now if we go to the other side. Yes, sir. Look at them. Oh my God. They're all together. Okay, so we have a few more over here. You know, just casually sitting. I've never seen those headlights before. That is really cool. But then you come over here. Oh, it's 370. Looking nice. Nice job. And we have a whole nother row ready to go. Full of them. Look at this. Insanity. Look at all these. I haven't seen a yellow one like that. That's pretty cool. Then we have a bunch of red. We have that front bumper, which is really cool, but I really do like the smiling of the Miatas, so it's not something I would personally do. Then we got these. That's a nice blue, that darker blue. I haven't seen that one before. Another red with the hard top. I really want a hard top. And then we have a green one, that the headlights. I bet this Prius sounds nice. Dude, look at those tailpipes. Yo, I bet that thing sounds nice. And then over here, we just got a nice collection of C8s, just ready to go. Dude, that blue is crazy. The red looks good. This orange looks good. That darker one, I like the stripe, but the color not as much. But this blue right here is sick. Dude, look at this Destroyer gray Charger. And it's a Hellcat. Yeah, girly. Nice.
Have a good day.
Sounds mean. Whoa, look at that thing. Okay, so we have arrived to the exotics, and this is the first Ferrari that we see. This one is really nice. Then we have a few Lambos over there, a really cool Huracan over here. I love the color of this. Like the shine off of it is a clear white, but it's like a really dark gray, and it's got a good sparkle in it too. Dude, look at this thing. Glad he found a spot. We have once again found Mr. Ed Bolian's Ferrari. He is nowhere to be found, however, but knowing that we found his Ferrari again is really nice. Look at this, I found the Aston Martin again. This thing is nice. Look at what we found here. We found the old NSX. This thing right here, I love. It's got the pop-up headlights. It's really cool. I love the shape of it. OG, in my opinion, way better than the newer one. This is how you know that you're an NSX fanboy, when there's an NSX here, and then there's a million McLarens over here. Look, we got a 720S here. Then we have a million over here. And we're just steady looking at the NSX. Look, I found a beautiful G-Wagon right here. This thing is tall. I never realized how tall it was. And beside of it, I have Ferrari F12. Do you guys need a size comparison of how big this is? I mean, it's not really a good size comparison because you rarely see this on the road and you very rarely see this on the road. So you really don't have anything to compare it to. But Jesus, look at this. It's a Volkswagen Porsche Bus. Nice. It's really nice. Hold on, it got the inside open. Oh my God, look at the steering wheel. Yo, you're literally like, you're literally holding it down as you're turning. That is so cool. And then look at all this on the back. Nice. Okay, so first I found that dude in blue's Sub-Zero, the S550 white Mustang, and then I found Smurf. This one to me is more of a legend than Sub-Zero, and I'm finally seeing it in person. I know he made that video where he completely repainted it, and it looks nice. You can see the difference between that grabber blue and then that blue off of, I believe he said the Ford Focus RS, where it's got that sparkle in it, and a tuxedo black on the roof that also has that sparkle in it. It's not just flat black. But they did a really good job. And I do know it's his because I looked at the back and it does say Smurf. So I'm 99% sure it's his, but I don't see him anywhere. Once again, that's okay. I just wanted to see the car. It's a nice car. We're just casually strolling by and we made it to Supra Alley. Holy crap, look at that. Jesus, and the size of that turbo. I love Supras, man. I love Supras. And this is the beautiful color for a Supra too. It's beautiful. Ooh, it's the Targa top. Nice. And we got another one that's same. We got another Supra. We got another one over there. Look at what I've found. A plum crazy old Charger. These things look sick. Look at that front. I don't think I've ever seen one of these before. I know I've seen like Challengers and stuff, but not anything like this. Look at that inside. Oh my God. That is clean. And look at the back seat. That's like actual legit back seat room. That's like not bad at all. And then look at this, Super B. Jeez, this thing is huge. Like for a muscle car, this thing it's got a good size to it. It's about the size of like 2 Miatas. That's what we're measuring things in, is Miatas. All right, so we have reached Viper Corner over here. They have a million Vipers, actually like maybe 6 or 7. But for Vipers, that is super rare. The car itself is super rare, so that is crazy. I love how the hood opens like this. And look at that engine. Jesus, it's huge. Nice steering wheel, I like it. The inside is nice, basic, not too much. Beautiful. Then we have a newer one over here, very nice. Then we have this one. This one's crazy. Look at how big that is. I wonder how much just that hood costs if you were to try to buy another one. Probably a lot. And look at this engine right here, oh my God. The fact that it opens so far forward makes it really easy to work on. I know the Corvettes are also like that too. It's pretty cool. And then we got 3 more over here. We got 1, 2, and 3. Just seeing this many Vipers in one place is absolutely crazy. Like you rarely see them ever. And now there's just 6 or 7 of them just all parked here. It's so cool. Look at this. We have another NSX. And then we have this Mustang. This one's beautiful. I love that blue. That is crazy. I'm a big fan of the blue and black, but this just works together. I love those wheels. I think they fit the car perfectly. They kind of have that old school muscle vibe to them. They're really cool. And look at that. It's clean. I want to see what the inside of these look like. Oh, well, he took out the passenger seat. Nice. Hey, this one's kind of modded out a little bit, but it's nice. Look at that, the color of this paint. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up good, but it's beautiful. Look at what I found. Possibly the craziest thing here, to me anyways, we got a Shelby Super Snake. Now remember that they made these before the GT500 came out, and these made more horsepower, but they were also way more expensive. I believe these were like, what, in the $130,000 range? I'm gonna get close in just a second and see, but these things are crazy. In my opinion, this one's crazier than GT500. I would rather take this than GT500. This one just has way more attention to detail. You got Shelby specific brakes. The interior says Super Snake on it. That is awesome. Look at that.
What? Oh, I don't know.
This thing is crazy. Even the rear brakes, look at that. That is absolutely crazy. From what I know, ooh, look at the exhaust tip. Look at the exhaust tip. That is actually crazy. They redesigned everything on this. It's mad. And then look, you can see the supercharger dials up there at the top. That's really cool. And then the engine, Jesus. You can tell this one, the engine even looks bigger than the GT500. This is mad. Like I said, I would definitely take this way over a GT500. These are more rare and they're just crazier looking in my opinion. Even the front grille, if you look, the front grille says Shelby on it. And that is crazy. Look at that. That is mad. What's the sticker price say on it? 53? Bet, I'm taking it. Oh yeah, because that's what you do. So what you do is you buy one, then you take it to them, and then they do all this to it. So you don't buy this like this. You buy a regular GT and then you take it. 133. Yeah, I knew it was in the 130s. Knew these obviously go in the 130s. This thing is mad. I think this is my favorite one out here. I've never seen one before. All right, guys. I believe I have found an SF90 Stradale. I have never seen one in my whole life, and I'm not 1000% sure on what it is. It just caught me by surprise. But I think it's about to start leaving soon, and I want to get it leaving, but I've never seen anything like that before. Let me just walk around to the side and the back of the car. That is mad. Look at this thing. Oh my God, dude, the back is sick. Yo, this is car of the show right here. Look at this thing head on. This thing is crazy. Look at that, just that front and those lights. Dude. I've always said my favorite was the 812 Superfast, but I think this tops it. I like this better. This is nice. Look at this Supra leaving. I love that color. Driving at first, and then I saw the steering wheel on the other side. I was like, what? Wait, Japanese license plate and all? But two. Yo, content. Look at this, R32 looking nice. Also, I would be sad that these Supras are leaving, but there's so many everywhere. I'm in love. Where do I get one? Who do I talk to get a Supra? Look at this, and they just keep on going. Who do I talk to for a Supra? The Viper's leaving. Woo, I forgot that Snake is at third tail light. Ooh, look at that Subaru. Jeez. Followed by the Viper. Followed by the RX-7, yes sir. Oh my God, dude, we got all three of them. We got the Supra, the Skyline, and the RX-7 leaving, dude. That's crazy. We got more of them going. Dude, they're all leaving. Oh, there goes the Target top one. That one's nice. That's the one that we saw. Look at the tires on the back. And the license plate says Thanos. Woo, look at the color of that new Supra. Yes, sir. Hey, look, Mark 5 BMW. You see that on the license plate? The new Bronco heading out. Look at this. Oh my God. Dude, I've never seen one before. How did I miss that one? And another Supra, yes sir. Chevy SS, or the Holden. Chevy, it says. I think it's like, dude, look at the meat on the back. Yes, sir. Woo, and another Supra. Oh my God. Whoa. Ooh, another one. Dude, there's so many. It's like the most I've ever seen.
Dude, that's awesome, dude.
And just like that, we are back to the car. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Basically, there was too many cars to really show, so I just tried the best that I could. There was a crap ton of Supras. I've never seen that many Supras before, in one spot, that is. So that is crazy. You're just 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're all leaving at the same time. They sound amazing. Not to mention that Ferrari. I believe it's an SF90 Stradale. I'm not sure. All right, so comment in the comments if you guys know exactly what that is. But I'm pretty sure that's what that was. But I've never seen one in person before. It's very angular and very like menacing. Like a lot of these cars look futuristic. Like I still like the way that the Mustang looks, but that Ferrari looked the next level futuristic, which is absolutely crazy. But yeah, with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe. Another successful Caffeine and Octane. I saw Ed Bolian's car, I saw Bladed Angel's car, and I saw that dude in blue and his car, but I didn't go talk to him because he was busy talking to other people. Like I said, I don't want to bother him, even though I've heard him say in videos a lot, just come up and talk to me. I'm just not that, I don't want to mess with people. So, and then there's still cars leaving. So yeah, guys, like, subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching. I plan to come to some of these if I can, most of them anyway, while they're still around. I don't know if they're doing them in the winter, I don't think so. But yeah, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.